Hi all, Stuart here again. This session we're talking about the DPC 2200, which is the Makinex dual pressure cleaner, 2200 PSI. Starting off, of course, is always the fact that we have a operator's manual. So when you open your box, read the operator's manual first and it'll tell you where to get to. In the box you'll find the gun. The gun comes in 3 parts, and so basically it's just a case of having it screwed into the actual handle assembly. So that's the extension. Screw that in, and then you've actually got a nozzle. And so the nozzle has a 0, 15, 25 and 40, and that orientates the spray. Obviously the 0 is a jet, and then 15, 25 and 40 is a wider spray up to 40. It connects into the end, so it's quick release. Pull down, drop the unit in, push up, and then make sure that there's no movement, and that's your spray gun. And obviously the hose attaches to the end of that spray gun, and the hose goes onto the DPC 2200. For transport, we have a plug in the pump so the oil doesn't spill out anywhere, and then we have to insert the actual oil filler. So we remove this plug here. We've got a dipstick on the end of that. So we take that out and we put that plug in. Remove that, that's fine. And then of course we've got the attachment here where we have our water hose. So normal water hose fitting would connect on there. Again, ensure that that stays where it's at. We can use this tube to undo that red connector that I just took out. As you can see, it's quite lightweight. Turn it around so then we can see the motor parts, etc. Obviously the fuel tank, so that's where the fuel goes in. So we have a red on-off switch, click it up to on, and then we have the throttle, that's down and that's up, obviously tortoise and hare, and then we have to make sure when we're starting that the choke is across towards the back of the handle and that the fuel is turned on towards the back of the handle. Okay, once we've got that set up, we can pull start. Right, once we've got it going, we get the choke off again and just run it to the throttle that we want. So this operates with a telescopic handle, lever at the back, so we can lower it for transport, nice and compact, and we can adjust it up to the height we want, and then manoeuvre around. The 10-metre hose that is used for the wand is attached in here as you need it. The other end attached to the wand, and off you go. But for transport or for stowing, you can just have it sitting here on the handle, otherwise use it as required when you need it. Okay, so we have a 3-way valve here as well, so obviously it's dual pressure cleaner. Okay, so we have a 410mm rotary underneath, right, so a bar that's spinning to clean horizontal surface area, and of course then when we adjust it across ways on the machine, that means it's going to the wand, and we have the hose and the wand to do normal cleaning. So nice and simple, Makinex dual pressure cleaner, very easy to use, lightweight, portable, compact, great machine, and you'll find that doing 410mm coverage in large surface area for driveways, for patios and those sort of things is very quick. And the added advantage of the wand and the hose to do the edges and to do the verticals and that sort of work. Okay, great stuff.